Hello and welcome to another episode on dental malpractice. Now, whenever we're talking about serious nerve injury cases in the dental realm, we're usually either talking about the lingual nerve or the inferior alveolar nerve. And today, we're going to be talking all about the inferior alveolar nerve. Namely, what is it and how can it get injured in a dental procedure? And what are the symptoms a patient might experience if this nerve is injured? So, let's get right into it. Tucked away within the intricate structures of our jaw is the inferior alveolar nerve, and it's a critical component of our oral health. The inferior alveolar nerve is responsible for sensation in the lower lip, the chin, and the lingual aspect of our lower incisors and premolars. It's a part of the trigeminal nerve, which serves the purpose of transmitting sensory data from the face and mouth back to the brain. The role of the inferior alveolar nerve extends beyond just the basics of biting and chewing. It's a fundamental nerve for speaking, eating, and smiling, and it ensures sensation in the lower jaw region. The significance of this nerve becomes exceedingly evident when it's compromised or injured, which can happen during dental procedures. An injury to the inferior alveolar nerve can lead to numbness, loss of sensation in the areas affected, or even worse, debilitating conditions like anesthesia dolorosa or trigeminal neuralgia. These conditions can result in constant and severe discomfort, which can profoundly impact an individual's quality of life. In the middle of the mandible or lower jaw, the inferior alveolar nerve transverses a canal called the inferior alveolar nerve canal, or sometimes called the mandibular nerve canal, which runs right down the middle of your lower jaw. During certain dental procedures, the nerve can be subjected to harm if it isn't adequately safeguarded or if there's a direct impact on the nerve. And this is why understanding its location and potential risks during dental procedures is paramount. And it's also why dentists and oral surgeons should engage in thorough preoperative planning. Among the procedures that pose a serious threat to the inferior alveolar nerve are tooth extractions, dental implant procedures, root canals, and jaw surgeries. For example, extractions can jeopardize the nerve when the tooth is situated close to the nerve, or if the dentist inadvertently cuts or exerts excessive pressure on the nerve during the procedure. Similarly, dental implants may risk nerve damage if the implant is placed too close to the nerve or through the nerve canal. Moreover, root canals can also pose a risk to the inferior alveolar nerve, and this typically occurs because of overfilling during the root canal procedure, or if the dentist or endodontist drills too deep into the tooth or sticks a root canal file through the apex of the root and into the mandibular nerve canal. Lastly, jaw surgeries can also inadvertently lead to damage to the inferior alveolar nerve. And this could occur if the surgeon cuts too closely to the nerve or through the jawbone carelessly. Sometimes the nerve may even get damaged during the post-surgery healing process when the jawbone is fusing together. Understanding the role and the location of the inferior alveolar nerve is not just academic knowledge. It's crucial in maintaining oral health and ensuring the success of various dental procedures. The nerve's importance to our everyday functions like eating and speaking and expressing our emotions through a smile is immeasurable. And this emphasizes the need for extreme caution during dental procedures. Well, that's all I have for you today. If you've experienced inferior alveolar nerve damage, it can be a particularly horrifying experience. Please don't hesitate to give us a call if you think you might need legal help. We offer free legal consultations and we handle dental malpractice cases all over Florida and in Georgia, South Carolina, and North Carolina. All you have to do to schedule a free consultation with us is call the number below in the video description. Or you can visit our dental malpractice page at www.carelessdentist.com. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.